Say hi. I'm too big to sit on my lap. Oh, what's up guys? My name is Libby. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the new Aspyn and Tarte collaboration palette. I already have my foundation, base, blush, eyebrows. I've got everything done. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I do put out new videos every Thursday and then a bonus video throughout the week. So stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you watched all of New Girl on Netflix and you're super sad that you can't keep watching it because all of a sudden all of the shows are over and you just want to find out what happens to Jess and Nick. So if you guys want to see 3 looks on how to use this palette, then keep on watching. Before we start the 3 looks, I am going to let you guys know what is on my face. For foundation, we've got my current favorite, the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. For concealer, we've got the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade 1N. Setting powder, we're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 10. For bronzer today, we've got my new favorite, the Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade just bronzer, 7M21, I think. For blush, I also have another new fave that I've been using recently. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, and this is in the shade Pearlescent Pink. For contour, I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And last but not least, for brows, I use the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Ash Taupe. Alright, let's get right into the first look. Alright guys, those are the 3 looks that I decided to do today for you guys. I hope you got inspired to use the colors in this palette. Obviously all of your looks are going to be neutral because it's all neutral colors, but you can do fun stuff like, you know, using the blush as an eyeshadow, or creating like a liner with some of those shadows. So I definitely would recommend going out and getting this palette. Like I said, I hope you guys got inspired by these 3 looks to you know, use this palette or come up with something your own that kind of resembles what I was doing. I originally wasn't going to get this palette because I was like, you know, another neutral palette. I don't really need another neutral palette, but when I swatched the colors in Ulta, I was like, no, like I need to have this palette, and I'm so glad I bought it. The shadows are so easy to blend out. The shimmers, I mean, obviously you can tell with this wing, are so intense. You don't even have to use a brush. I just use my finger for the shimmers and it works great. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and I will see you next time.
Elsie, come here.